Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5077241, because of this error code, that is 0x800f0983. So if you are receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, then type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness over here, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can go back, and if you see a retry option, hit retry, check for update and then check. Still not working, the next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, then use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077241 over here, and then click on search. Let me change the language over here. Now, first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check your version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Then check your system type. Go to systems, Windows settings, scroll down, go to system, and then scroll down, go to about option. Over here, check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. And then you can click on KB5077241 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file. Follow the on-screen instruction and then you can install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then you can run this exe file. Click on it and then click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. This process will take some time. Let the download complete. Once done, click on finish and then let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next over here, click on accept over here. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. And then once done, restart your computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.